So you might be in this really weird situation. For some reason, your phone number is banned on Telegram. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one reason why something like this may end up happening actually comes from a couple of these Reddit users that I actually found online. And they were basically stating that these people found out their particular account could have probably kept getting banned a few ways. One is if they're using Telegram web, whenever they logged into their web account via the QR code, after a few hours your phone number would get banned. So if you were somebody who would actually go through and actually use Telegram web, your phone number might get banned that way. Another method or another reason why this may end up happening was any third-party Telegram apps. So if you're using like a modded version of Telegram, or you're using any APIs that require those Telegram APIs, or you're using a non-official Telegram app, sometimes that can also end up causing some problems too, and that might spin a way for Telegram to go and ban your account. So that's another very big thing to keep in mind. Now, one of the people, they did mention basically how to fix this, and basically it was putting in a bug report via Telegram. So what you can do is you can go ahead and basically comment something like Telegram bug support. You can go ahead and Google Telegram bug support just like this, and what we're going to want to do is submit a bug report in order to fix this problem. So make your way over here, click on bugs and suggestions, which is right here, and what you can do is when this page comes up, you'll be able to go ahead and basically log in if you have the ability of doing, or if not, you can go and click up here and describe your issue or suggestion, and you can let them know exactly what's going on. And from there, you can go and leave maybe like some information on how to contact you if you want to. Don't put your phone number, email, or anything like that. And then what you can do there is you can go ahead and let them know, hey, whenever I do this, it ends up causing problems. And from here, someone can take a look at it and they can probably fix it at that point. So that's one way to go and fix it. You can also have them contact you. That's another way too. But that's basically the main way to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.